Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by keeping Bluetooth on and opening the iPhone Settings app. Update your Apple Watch to the latest watch OS before pairing. Sign in with your Apple ID and open the Fitness app next. When prompted, enable health permissions to allow steps, heart rate, and workouts. Grant motion and fitness access so the watch records activity accurately. Keep the watch charged with at least 50% battery before the first sync. Allow the devices to complete pairing for about 30 seconds to finish setup. Open the workout app on the Apple Watch to begin immediately. You can also tap a workout on the iPhone and send it to the watch. Choose a workout type and set a goal such as 30 minutes, 300 calories, or 5 miles. Press Start to begin and secure the watch snugly on your wrist. The watch measures heart rate, pace, and distance in real time. Metrics sync and update on the iPhone within about 5 seconds during activity. After your workout, open the Fitness app on the iPhone to review results. Look at move, exercise, and stand rings and compare them to your daily goals. Typical examples are a 500-calorie move goal, 30-minute exercise goal, and 12-hour stand goal. Tap a workout to see heart rate charts and splitting data for pace or cadence. Use the Share button to send a workout via messages or save it to Health. Turn on reminders and weekly summaries to stay consistent with goals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.